Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to attract birds to your bird feeders. To attract many different birds to your yard, use a variety of seeds and fruit. Different types of bird feeders also attract different types of birds. Some different bird feeders are platform feeders, suet feeders, hummingbird feeders, house feeders, and tube feeders. A water source like a bird bath and birdhouses can also attract birds to your yard. The bird bath should be in a mostly shaded area. Birdhouses should be 8 to 10 feet off the ground. Bushes and shrubs can also attract birds to your yard. These are just a few tips to attract different birds to your yard. If there is a certain bird you would like to attract to your yard, let me know in the comments. Bye everyone!